Hello everyone. In this channel, my goal is always to bring out the best of the best knowledge and learnings and share it with the world in the form of YouTube videos. So today I want to share a really deep, meaningful insight which I came across this weekend when I was researching about trading and especially the big companies. So today, I was thinking like, where are, the best legendary traders, apparently are coming from. And upon doing a lot of research, the one name that struck my mind was Goldman Sachs, because a lot of industry leading traders came out of this firm. And I just wanted to also check their own track record, like how much they are making, especially from trading. I wanted some official, resource that can point me into right direction and actually steelman this case. So I studied, the 10K filings of Goldman Sachs, latest report that is for 2023 year, which was published in February of 2024, I guess. So I came across a really good learning, and let me share that with you. So, most of the people out there have a very negative, sentiment of, trading, regarding trading, like people lose a lot of money. But here I am wanting to showcase with you how much is Goldman Sachs exclusively making from trading different instruments. So the two charts that I want to show you today is these two. So what they refer to, they meaning Goldman Sachs, refer to as VAR, means value at risk. So how much on the day-to-day basis are they risking in order to bring alpha? So that is the amount that you are risking to get some reward out of it. So as you can see in the charts, this is the daily VAR in millions, and you can see that Goldman Sachs on any given day is, risking, almost around 90 to 120 million. So any given day, the value at risk in Goldman Sachs trading floor is almost around 90 to 120 million dollars. So this is what they are, risking. Now this chart is particularly important because they have divided in different quarters, and they have a line that showcases the actual amounts on day by day basis. So you can see in one quarter we have, quarter one was around 90 million. Quarter two, they had a sustained 120 million, risk every single day, almost every single day. So this is one chart. So in trading, there are two main, components. What is the value that you are risking in order to generate profit? And then the second thing is, what is the actual profit that you're making, or what is the reward that you are getting for, risking that amount? So my second chart shows you the actual reward that Goldman Sachs is getting for risking the amount that I showed you in the last chart. So you can see over here, the records of Goldman Sachs are absolutely bonkers. So what this chart tells you is, they are making, so there was 250 trading sessions in a year. So excluding the Saturday, Sundays and holidays, public holidays, of course. So what they're saying is, and mind you, these are the official figures which are taken from the Goldman Sachs 10K filing report. And what they're saying is they are making more than 52 million. So there are 52 days in a year in which they are making more than $100 million. And the distribution is even more wild. So for 40 days, they are making almost around 75 to 100 million. And 52 days, they are making almost 25 to 50 million. So if you add that up, like almost for more than, half a year, they are making every single day more than $25 million. So this is the staggering, and then you can see 0 to 25 million for almost, 22 days. And then they're also disclosing their losses. So they look at the pattern of losses. They are losing 30 days, like almost 25 million. And there are only 4 days when they lost more than 25 million. And there was only 2 days where they lost 50 to 75 million. So you can see they are very cautiously keeping their losses small and very less frequent, so very infrequent. So if you count the number of losing days, and if you count the number of, millions being lost, which is very small as compared to the rewards that they are getting over here. So these are the official figures. So when you actually, as a retail trader, look at, the risk to reward multiple on social media and YouTube, you will quickly realize that it's not about, generating 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour multiple. It's all about consistency. And remember, one important key point over here is these are Goldman Sachs and these are huge amounts. So for them to generate 2x, 3x return is very difficult because they have to go in and out of the position. And if they do it at scale, then that is going to create a huge distortion in prices. So for the big players, there are big limitations as well because the scale is so big. So these are my learnings from the Goldman Sachs official 10K report just for the traders, because all of these value at risk means, they are including the equities, they are including the commodities, currencies, fixed income, everything that they are risking on each day. They are documenting it and they are officially disclosing it. And you can see over here as well, and you can see the profits that they are making every year. And so this is what the traders at Goldman Sachs are making, and looking at the official disclosures, they are doing a tremendous job. Now, I am a retail trader, and why am I sharing this with you? I'm sharing this with you is because there is a lot of misconception about traders, and I wanted to show you, like, you may not trust random guy like me on YouTube, but you can look at the Goldman Sachs 10K report, and I'll link down in the description below the actual link for the Goldman Sachs 10K, and it is in the almost at the page 95 to 100. So you can actually look at these charts and you can see for yourself the disclosures. Now, they are also humans and they also learned how to trade. So my channel is all about, how to figure out the learning, how to gain insights, and how to trade, reasonably, responsibly. And those kind of insights are what we are aiming for over here in this channel and in the community. So my only take from this is I just wanted to motivate, people out there who are, wanting to become aspiring traders. This is the hard facts which nobody can deny. So I'm going to link, the official 10K report of Goldman Sachs in the description below, and you can see for yourselves, get motivated, but more importantly, try to learn and gain insights from what are the big guys doing differently than, endlessly scrolling, social media, and try to, do some research, build yourselves. And yeah, please let me know what you think about, these hard facts. And please let me know if you like these kind of content and insights, so that I can bring, these kind of insights more frequently, which is data backed and undisputable. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.